Hi everyone, today we are now going to explain about the trapezoidal rule error. Many students are struggling to understand this concept, so mm, I just want to explain you this concept easily. Let me now see the formula. Modulus of ET is less than or equal to b minus a the whole cube divided by 12n square. Maximum of modulus of f double dash of x, a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to b, where ET represents trapezoidal error rule is less than or equal to b minus a, where a and b represents the upper limit and the lower limit of the integral, n represents the number, and maximum of f double dash of x. F double dash of x represents the second derivative of the given function f of x. We need to find the second derivative and apply the endpoints, then find the maximum. We get this maximum of modulus of f double dash of n x. So let me now see the problem. Use the error formula. This is our formula. For the trapezoidal rule to find n, we have to find n. This is what we need to find, such that the error in the trapezoidal approximation of integral 3 to 4 1 by x dx is less than 0.0001. This means that ET is given. We have to find n using ET, and a is equal to the lower limit, b is equal to 4, and f of x is equal to 1 by x. So shall we now go to the problem? So first find the first derivative of f of x. We know f of x is equal to 1 by x. We can also